First I was afraid, I was petrified, thinking I could never leave without you by my side. Then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. Now I grow strong, now I learn how to get along. So you're right from outer space. Just walked in to find you here. That sad look upon your face. Should've changed that stupid lock, should've made you leave your key. If I had known for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now. You're not welcome anymore. When you would want to try to hurt me with your body, you think I'd crumble, you think I'd lay down and die. No, now I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, I've got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive, yeah. Strength I had not to fall apart, kept trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart. And I spent so many nights feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, now I hold my head up high. You'll see me, somebody new, not that chained up little person who loves you. Oh, you felt like dropping in, just this thing.